Ready to unlock a secret superpower for your writing in 60 seconds? Understanding your purpose helps your writing hone in like a laser beam. Your purpose is the reason you're writing in the first place. You may be trying to inform, entertain, persuade, or even just express yourself. If you're writing an informative essay about climate change, your purpose is to educate your readers about the topic, incorporate facts, and use the third-person point of view. In a narrative essay, let your creativity go wild because you're essentially telling a story. Describe the people, places, and events to draw the reader into a new world. In a persuasive essay, your purpose is to convince the reader of your idea and entice the reader to your way of thinking. Use evidence like statistics and also work to refute any opposing viewpoints. Now you're equipped with the superpower of understanding purpose. Use it wisely, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.